Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize MySQL on GCP Cloud SQL with service accounts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize MySQL on Google Cloud Platform Cloud SQL using service accounts, start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Cloud SQL section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Instance button if you're setting up a new Cloud SQL instance. Select MySQL as the database type. Fill in the required details to configure your instance, such as instance ID, password, and region. Once you have configured your instance, click on the Create button. Wait for the instance to be provisioned. This may take a few minutes. After your instance is created, navigate to the I am an admin section in the left menu. Select Service Accounts from the submenu. Click on the Create Service Account button at the top. Enter a name and description for your service account for clarity. Click Create and Continue to proceed to the next step. In the Grant this service account access to project window, assign appropriate roles, such as Cloud SQL Client or Cloud SQL Admin. Click Done to create the service account. Once created, find your new service account in the list and click on the email address to view its details. Under the Keys tab, click on Add Key and choose JSON as the key type. A JSON file will be downloaded. Keep it secure as it contains your service account credentials. Next, navigate back to your Cloud SQL instance and click on the Connections tab. Locate the Authorized Networks section and add your service account's IP address to allow connections. After adding the IP address, click Save to apply the changes. Now, open your terminal or command prompt to connect to your MySQL database. Use the Cloud SQL Connect command followed by your instance name and specify the user flag for the MySQL username. Make sure to include the path to your downloaded JSON key while authenticating, if using a tool that requires it. Once connected, you can run MySQL commands to interact with your database. To confirm everything is set up correctly, try running a simple SQL query. You should see results showing that you are successfully authorized to interact with your MySQL instance. Now you have completed the authorization process for MySQL on GCP Cloud SQL with service accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.